everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are just joining us, my name is Vazzana and I'm a fashion editor, stylist, and the author and founder of Making It in Manhattan, based in New York City. Today I am modeling in a photo shoot for Alice and Olivia, so I thought I would bring you along for all of the behind the scenes fun. I'm about to hop in my Uber and head to the city, so I will bring you along, and I'm super excited for this photo shoot and to share everything with you guys. So I just finished my shoot with Alice and Olivia, so that is a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more photo shoot behind the scene vlogs, let me know. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you soon.